Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am CA Naina Goyal and today we will talk about Artificial Intelligence, a course launched by ICAI to introduce us to artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is changing every industry and finance is at the center of it. You must all know that our institute has launched a course a while ago for chartered accountants स्पेसिफिकली सो दैट हम जान सकें कि AI कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है, AI को कैसे अपनी लाइफ में यूज करना है। आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे व्हाट इज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ AI फॉर चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स, हाउ कैन वी यूज इट टू मेक अवर लाइफ इजियर एंड सेव अवर टाइम, व्हाट इज द कोर्स कंटेंट्स सो दैट वी विल नो कि हमें इसमें जानकारी मिलने क्या वाली है, इसके बेनिफिट्स क्या हैं और ये कौन कौन लोग यूज कर सकते हैं। तो चलते हैं आज की वीडियो। So this course is for qualified chartered accountants who have their membership number to enroll. I will attach a link below in description. But this does not stop you from learning. If you are a student and even if you are not in a CA background, you can still learn about AI. Information is everywhere on the internet these days and you can learn about AI from AI. इस कोर्स में आपको सिखाएंगे बहुत सारे AI tools, generative AI tools that you can use in your daily life for your professional work, for your personal errands, and to manage your life easily. For example, ChatGPT आप सबने सुना है, but we have many more like Copilot, Gemini, Perplexity, Claude AI, Napkin AI, and many. इस कोर्स में वो सब tools आपको सिखाए जाएंगे. You will know how to use them. कौन सा tool किस चीज़ के लिए specialized है, better है, and how to use it for your best purpose. For practicing chartered accountants, you will know how to use it for taxation purposes. For example, you are in GST/DT litigation, you will learn about drafting and how to get your question answered from the specific act, the act you want. AI में hallucination होता है, so you cannot trust blindly on AI. That's why you need to learn AI and how to use it efficiently. AI एक इवोल्यूशन है। जैसे 2000s में कंप्यूटर्स आए थे एंड जिन लोगों ने कंप्यूटर नहीं सीखा वो कहीं ना कहीं पीछे रह गए। सो वी विल हैव टू अडेप्ट टू AI. AI हमारी जॉब खत्म नहीं करेगा, बट इफ वी आर नॉट कंपैटिबल टू AI, it will not give us a competitive edge. This is a 3-day course and in day 1 you will learn about a lot of tools and how to use them. You will learn a lot of use cases. Use cases means जो सिचुएशन आपके पास है, एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दैट सिचुएशन फ्रॉम योर ऑफिस डेली लाइफ एंड हाउ टू अप्लाई AI in that particular situation. There can be 100 of situation, but the institute has tried to cover many situation, beginner friendly, even an article can use it. काफ़ी सारी ऐसी सिचुएशंस उन्होंने ट्राई करने का कवर किया है दैट यू माइट फेस इन योर डेली केसेस रिगार्डिंग ऑडिटिंग, हाउ टू आइडेंटिफाई द सिग्निफिकेंट ट्रांजैक्शंस, litigations, GST, DT, generating many kind of certificate, and testing all the applicabilities, thresholds, everything we do. It can be easy. हमें अभी भी आता है वो करना, बट AI के साथ करेंगे, AI का यूज़ करके करेंगे, सो हमारी कॉस्ट एंड टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा दोनों चीज़ें सेव होंगी. And we need to learn that. It is for our benefit only. Institute has many certified faculties who are teaching in this course. And trust me, मेरी तो आंखें खुल गई. We are using ChatGPT, Perplexity in our daily lives like Google only. We don't know how to use it. We don't know the prompt engineering. And even if we know, we are not using it correctly. Trust me, we are not. So, for chartered accountants, for all the finance consultants and advisors all out there, this is a very great opportunity for you to learn and to learn from a very authorized institution. This is a level 1 course and ICAI has planned to launch a level 2 course as well. It has already been launched in Hyderabad and Jaipur. आप अपनी cities के लिए भी देख सकते हैं, लेकिन and for your cities it has yet to be launched, but level 1 is going on right now in cities like Gurugram, Noida, Ghaziabad, Jamshedpur, and many. The website below. It will also teach you how to code. Yes, I know we are not from coding background, we don't know C of coding, but how to code, and वो coding से हम कैसे Excel macros बना सकते हैं और उस Excel macros से कैसे हमारा काम easy हो सकता है. And trust me, it will save you a lot of time. And जो चीज़ें करने के बाद भी accuracy नहीं आ पाती है, AI will ensure you that in some time. It just needs some practice and a lot of adaptation. We just need adaptation. Course will also teach you how to create different kind of tools, simple to complex tools depending on your mindset and your thought process, to reduce your admin work, to reduce the time of the work that you do manually again and again and again. It will automate that process, so that you just need so that you can focus on more complex and more work that requires your professional job. To give you a disclaimer, using AI does not mean we can rely 100% on the work generated by AI, as AI is not 100% correct. Even आप कोई भी tool use करते हैं, उसके नीचे there is a disclaimer written that ChatGPT can make mistakes, Gemini can make mistakes. So you do not need to rely completely on AI. You still need to review the work that it has generated, apply your mind, your skeptical skills on the work. Then only you are advised to use the output generated by. That's it for today. It was just an overview of the course, and I just tried to tell you what are the core benefits of taking this course. Stay tuned, and we'll come up with more such great helpful videos. And also, thanks a lot for providing me so much love. I uploaded the Deloitte interview questions video, and you guys are spreading so much love on this. So please hit the subscribe button if you are new here, and follow for more.